In this tutorial, I am weeding out the logo for Wingy, and I'm actually using my hand. It's relatively easy, and as you can see, I am taking everything off seamlessly, and then I'm using the tool. You can use an X-Acto knife. So that's the logo. And then I'm cutting it, and I'm going to put it on the sticky paper. And you want to make sure that the sticky paper has a clean surface. And you want to peel it. Time, and you're peeling it. And once that's done, you can actually put it on the shirt. And here's another sample of me just cutting out several logos, speeding it up for you guys, but it's relatively fast. It's not a hard job. Then you take your X-Acto knife or whatever tool you decide to use. Here's another logo. This is the African print. And this right here is one of our best sellers. I'm going to put it on the sticky paper again. And then once we have it, put it on our shirt. And you want to make sure that when you put this on your heat press, that everything is even. You want to put your paper on top of it. And I usually do it at 295 to 300 degrees. And I do it for 30 seconds. Here's the African print logo. Measuring it, make sure I have 4 fingers before the logo begins. And you want to use the label to make sure that it's lined up in the middle. Make sure you have a clean surface, no wrinkles. And the type of vinyl that I use, you can actually peel it while it's hot. Make sure your paper is on there correctly. Bring it out. There it goes, Wingy logo.